Hey there, it's Steve. And did somebody say they like cats? Well, I like cats. I've got a cat. So why don't we draw a cat today? Of course, I'm starting out with a basic circle. I like to do that. And we're going to do a circle right in the middle here. We're going to do a circle right there. We're going to do another circle right there. We're going to throw on some ears. There you go, very basic. And we'll do a nice little smile. A couple of half moon shapes here. Another one down here just like this. And I think we know where we're going here. We'll just fluff this out a little bit. Fluff that out down there. There you go. We're done with our pencil work now. Maybe I'm going to just do a little fluff up there. There we go. Now it's time to start inking in. Very simple process. Let's do the nose and the eyes first. And I'm going to fill in the nose, not exactly a circle, but we're using a circle as a guide. I'm going to darken this in real quick. I do this on the sides like this so I can make a square in the middle so we show some reflected light. I like to do that on their noses. I like to do that in their eyes. On this one, I'm going to do just half of the circle. Half of the circle here. Then I'm going to draw the eyes in like this. Just keep making that a little smaller as you draw along. There we go. Do a couple little lines out here. Let's do the mouth next. That's going to be very simple. We're just going right over. Then we're going to do the bottom part of the mouth. We're going to do like a little bit of hair coming out of there because after all, he is a cat. Work the top there. Do a little bit of the hair that's on the top here. Come over. Let's do those ears. Do like an L in the middle of the ear. There we go. That'll shape that up. Let's do a backward L inside of this ear. There we go, backward L. There we go. He's starting to shape up a little bit here. Come on down. We're going to do a little bit of shaping the face up with a little bit of the fur here. I'm going to come around to the bottom here. Do the fur for the chin. And come here and finish this up. And there you have it. That was pretty easy, pretty fast. You got yourself a cat. Remember, just erase those pencil lines and you're good to go. And you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and there's going to be more to come. Thank you.